start! Hey everybody, I'm Athena.
I'm Miranda, and today we have our fourth Toreba unboxing.
Today is the biggest box that I've ever gotten from Toreba.
And the smallest box that I've ever gotten.
So let's get started! Oh my god!
Jesus Christ, back up so I can see. Oh, Jesus. It's so big.
Okay, big mama.
Oh, I almost died! Did you see that? My box! So for the first item of this box,
ta-da! It's my favorite character, Gudetama!
the Gudetama addict strikes again.
So this is the Gudetama, but in the form of a dashimaki? Tamagoyaki? I don't know. It's like the rolled up egg sushi looking thing. And it says right here, it says Gudetama, his name.
I like the little swirls on the right.
Yeah. Oh, I played for numerous
You won a few?
Why? I may have kind of won a few of them.
Oh my god.
Kind of.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, so there's like two different styles. There was one with this character on it, and then there's one with the Gudetama on it.
It's so soft!
Yeah. It's so cute!
It looks like bread!
Yeah.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah. And the way I played for this, I think how they were set up for all of them, where they were on parallel bars, and you just had to, tilt it to the point that it would slip through, but you had to make sure that it would slip through vertically, or else it wasn't gonna fall through. I love it so much!
So for the next one, I'll just pull this one out.
I always get so lucky!
But for some reason, I guess Athena decided she needed another one. I guess redemption arc from the ugly one.
Yeah. That's so offensive.
Oh, he also has the asterisk butthole.
Yeah, this one he set up like backwards on a platform like this, and you had to just kind of like grab him and like slowly bring him down, and then finally the last move is to kind of tip him over with the claw.
Oh, the cat is so cute. I didn't even notice.
Muffin. That cat's named Muffin.
I like it. Cute.
It's a cute one, right?
Cuter than the other one.
It's a cute one.
I will admit. Okay.
Alright. So the next one is a Splatoon squid thing. I actually got this from my friend. He's a huge Splatoon fan.
Our friend loves Splatoon. His favorite game.
I hope he doesn't.
Everything.
Yeah, I hope he doesn't see this because it's actually his birthday gift.
Oh. We'll post it after.
Yeah, we'll post it a little later. But yeah, also the same style how you did it. It's on a platform like this. You had to just kind of grab it and keep moving it down and shifting it. And then finally I was able to tip it down and it fell.
How many tries did it take though?
This one took a lot. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, both these took a lot. I guess I wasn't thinking straight when I was playing. So sometimes what's really helpful is you just gotta like slow down and think about it, because it's really easy to like be like, oh, let me try again.
Yeah. And in the moment, you get like really stressed. The anxiety is real. You get to see how many people are in queue after you. Mm-hmm. So if you play a lot, it'll go from 0 to 5 people, which is the max. And then you just keep playing, and then you waste so much money.
So sometimes you just gotta slow down and think about it before you make your next move. So next we have are these Toreba exclusive pillows.
This is actually the first time I've seen these. So.
Yeah. I thought they would be a lot bigger because they always look so much bigger in the camera. But when you're playing for them, but I guess they're not. But on here it says like Amae mono Toreba and Sorena. Yeah, and it's like asking like, oh, isn't Toreba sweet? And then the other one's responding, yeah, sweet. And I really liked it. I thought it was super cute with this like pancake pattern. And I also got one from Miranda because we both love playing Toreba. We think Toreba's super sweet. So, yeah. This one was also on a parallel bar, and you just kind of had to continue shifting it until you lift it up and then it falls down. So, yeah, this one was like a pretty easy win. I think I actually sniped one of these. Someone was struggling for it, but then I went in and I was like, I think I can do it, and then I got it. So, yeah.
Now I'm excited because we're getting into the appliances, which are my favorite, and ta-da! The first one is this Odin pot. Tell me about it.
I think I didn't snipe, but I kind of did. I was like browsing through, and I knew that Miranda was talking about this Odin pot, and I was just like, oh, I'm gonna look at it, and it was in a very favorable position, and all I had to do was like just tilt it a bit, and it fell, and then I got it.
And you got the white version.
Yeah, I got the white version. So for the next appliance that we have, it's a grill.
It's actually the flat top grill that I talked about last time. Athena won one-shotting it, and then she immediately messaged me and told me. So I went on the app and I had it use my free ticket that day, and I used it, and I also won one. But this one's Athena's.
Yeah. It was like a one-shot where you
on parallel bars.
Yeah. And you just grab it, and it fell down. And I was like, Miranda, go get this girl right now.
It was a really exciting night because immediately after Athena got hers, I went on and she watched me win mine.
Yeah, that was super exciting.
I was super excited to win one. So Athena had been talking about wanting to win this Mulan doll for a really long time. So something that we've never featured before is a figurine, but they also do have a lot of figurines, and they have a lot of Disney ones.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, there's a little bit of a glare. And Athena finally won one. There's two versions, right? Which one is this one?
I am actually not sure which version this one is. Yeah, I don't know.
How did you win it?
This one I think was actually the one that I one-shotted. It was like tilted, but it was on parallel bars, and you had to I grabbed it, and then I just one-shot it, and it fell in.
Okay, that's super exciting.
Yeah, it was super exciting because I've been working really hard for it, and actually I played for this doll a lot of times and failed, and then this one time I finally one-shot it and won it. So yeah. Luffy! So this is Luffy from One Piece, and I also kind of just found him in a really favorable position, and I decided that I'd try for him, and I actually won! I'm really excited because I actually also really like One Piece, and he's like treasure cruiser. Yeah, that's why he's like in a cowboy outfit. Yeah. I think this was also on parallel bars as well, and I just tilted it, lifted it up, and it just fell through. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And this is the last figure. It's from Fate. It's Gilgamesh. Someone actually, one of my other friends requested this figurine. They've been playing for it for a while, and I said, oh, I'd give it a shot, and I'll see if I can get it. And I did, so...
How many tries did it take?
This one was actually, so when I'm like trying to be more serious about the plays, I try to kind of watch how other people are playing for the character before I try to go for it myself. And this one was set up on a platform, and you just kind of had to lift it and slide it down and tilt it downward. And finally, I was able to I actually only took 5, maybe 4 tries to get it. It was pretty affordable. And the last tip over, it completely lifted the box of wine, and it finally fell. So I was really happy because I was able to get it for my friend.
Cool. Okay, now we're on to the final box, and it's not a small box. So heavy! Let's take it stranded. So, it's my Toreba box, as is tradition, where Athena hauls in a huge box, and I come in at the last minute and bring in my one singular cash.
Let's see what's inside this tiny box.
Oh no. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, it's really, really bright, but this is a Rilakkuma humidifier, and it's kind of awful because I may or may not have spent a lot of money trying to win.
Welcome to my world.
So actually, this is the first item that I've ever spent a lot of money trying to get. All the other ones I usually either one shot with my free ticket and or just spent max $10 trying for. I don't remember how much I spent on this one. I think it was about $54. So much shame on my part in trying to win this. Let's open it.
It's okay, but you got it. You got it in the end. So how did you play for it?
So it was on parallel bars when I tried for it, and I honestly can't really remember, but I think I just pulled it out and just tried a few times and then knocked the box over in between the bars. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. But no, it's so cute.
It's so cute. It's like a light bulb.
So it's supposed to be shaped and look like a light bulb. I'm not actually really sure how it works, honestly. We'll have to attempt to read the Japanese instructions and figure it out later, but
Fingers crossed.
it's got this cute smiley face looking button adjuster, and it's USB. And
This is a filter. So there's already one in there.
Yeah, it's a filter. So yeah, it's supposed to just sit on your desk and then it humidifies out the top.
Thanks for watching our unboxing video.
I hope you guys really enjoyed that. It was our biggest boxing yet.
And if you like this video, please let us know in the comments down below.
Bye! And...